Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by collecting your highest intent keywords and isolating one clear USB. That makes writing faster and keeps relevance high. Next, craft 3 headline variants around that primary keyword. Use a number, a benefit, and a time or urgency cue. Make sure to respect the 30-character limit while keeping meaning intact. Once done, save variants to a spreadsheet and note expected CTA. This immediate focus gets you into iteration rather than endless polishing. Now you refine by generating permutations that swap modifiers, emotional triggers, and CTAs. These are your test candidates. Use a /B tests to measure CTR and downstream conversions, not just click volume, because clicks without conversions waste spend. Make sure headlines tightly match landing page messaging. Consistency improves quality score. Also try ad customizers for dynamic numbers or inventory. They increase relevance. Once running, let tests collect statistically meaningful data before choosing winners. You finish by launching winning headline sets with sensible rotation and close monitoring of CTR, conversion rate, cost per conversion, and quality score. When a headline underperforms, pause it quickly and spin its successful element into new variants. This keeps momentum. Make incremental bid and audience adjustments rather than rewrites every day. If results are poor, check relevance and landing page load time first. Those 2 issues commonly kill performance and are the fastest fixes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.